So kaya pag-usapan naman natin ngayon yung joint and disjoint set. So when you say joint set, a set having common element. So ayan. So madaling malaman, no? Kapag sinabi natin joint set, meron lang po sila ng common elements. Kahit isa lang. No? Kahit isa lang, we can call it joint set. Ayan. So example, we have set A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they have common. And so we have here set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So may parehas ba sa dalawa? So they're the same. They have 2, 2, 4, 4 and then 6. Ayan, 2, 4, 6. That is the common element. So therefore this is joint set. Ayan. So, kung isulat natin siya sa Venn diagram, ito yung magiging kalalabasan niya. So, another one, the disjoint sets. Pag sinabi po natin disjoint set, a set without any common element. So, wala daw pong kahit na atong common element sa dalawang set. Now, set C, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And set D, we have 1, 5, 7, 11, 13. So, we will check 3, wala, 6, wala, 9, wala, 12, wala, 15, wala. So, therefore, these two sets is a disjoint sets. Ayan. So, kung susulat natin sa Venn diagram, wala po talaga silang pagkakaparehas kahit na isa. Cardinality of a set. So, pag sinabi po natin cardinality, so is a measure of a number of the element of the given set. So, the cardinality of the set is denoted by, para lang siya po siyang parallel lines. So, writing the name of the set in the middle. So, ilalagay po natin yung name ng set natin sa middle ng dalawang linya na yan. Okay? So, sabi nga, measure of number. So, kung ilan yung bilang ng elements po natin, malalaman po natin, that is the cardinality of the set. Ayan. So, when you say, ito, if set A has exactly n elements, then the cardinality of set A is equal to n. Ayan. Set A is an empty set. Ayan. So, A is equal to empty set. Then, ayan, the cardinality of A is equal to 0. If set is an infinite set, then, syempre, ang ilalagay natin, the cardinality of A is equal to infinity. So, let us identify the cardinality of set M. So, sa set M, we have A, I, I, O, U. So, if we are going to write that in cardinality, so, ilalagay natin siya sa loob, yung ating M, and equals to 5. Ayan, that is the answer.